Amidst the misty dawn of 885 AD, the river Seine glimmered under the early morning sun, reflecting the bustling city of Paris on its banks. The city, a testament to the might of the Carolingian Empire, stood tall and proud, oblivious to the looming danger lurking on the horizon. The Vikings, a fearsome horde of marauders from the north, had set their sights on the riches of Paris. Led by Rollo, a chieftain renowned for his brutality and cunning, they had pillaged their way across Europe, leaving destruction in their wake. The city's defenses, though formidable, were no match for the relentless onslaught of the Viking warriors. The walls of Paris, built to protect, now crumbled under the barrage of stones and fire. The cries of the terrified citizens echoed through the streets, their once mighty city under siege. King Charles III, ruler of the Carolingian Empire, found himself in a dire situation. His army, though valiant, was no match for the sheer numbers of the Viking horde. A decision had to be made, a desperate gamble that could either save Paris or seal its fate. Charles III made his stand at the Fosse des Templiers, a narrow defile that led to the heart of the city. The battle was fierce, the clash of steel and the cries of the wounded filling the air. The Vikings, relentless and brutal, pressed forward. But the citizens of Paris fought with a ferocity born of desperation. In the end, it was not the strength of the Carolingians or the brutality of the Vikings that decided the fate of Paris. It was the betrayal of one of Charles III's own men, a traitor who opened the city gates, allowing the Vikings to flood into the heart of the city. The sack of Paris was a turning point in history. The once mighty Carolingian Empire was weakened, its capital sacked and its people terrorized. The Vikings, led by Rollo, were victorious. But their victory came at a price. Rollo, in a surprising move, was baptized, converting to Christianity and becoming a vassal of the King of the Franks. The sack of Paris marked the beginning of the Viking settlement in France, leading to the creation of the Duchy of Normandy. A city that once stood as a beacon of the Carolingian Empire was forever changed, its destiny altered by the ruthless hands of the Vikings.